Welcome to another new video, guys. Have your fun. Stay safe.
You just couldn't wait. And he even stopped and looked. Absolute idiot. Yeah.
She feels protected from the strangeness of the evening and the terrible energy in the air. She checks her phone and sees that it is nearly 1 a.m. She thinks about texting her mum, then thinks that she is probably asleep by now and that she would be waking her up unnecessarily. So she locks it again and sits down on the little red sofa and picks up one of the big glossy books and starts to flick through it, the words and images blurring in front of her eyes, reminding her that while she is less drunk than she was, she is still far from sober. There you are, says a deep voice at the door. It's Zach. He's back in his shirt and trousers, his wet hair slicked away from his face. What's the matter with you? He slides the door closed behind him and stands framed by it, the halogen just above his head throwing sinister shadows down his face. Nothing, she says. Just came into this drawing room and left me out there like a dick. Zach, she says, it was your idea to come here. I wanted to come home 2 hours ago, remember? Yes, I do remember. Then I thought, maybe you were just saying you wanted to go home for my sake, and I didn't want you afraid.
Just need to get a good look at your face for the police report, pal, okay?
Oh, then, fuck! You get on, I'm going to run you over, you cunt!
Is there something wrong?
Bastard, you! I'll fucking get rid of you! Fucking kill you, you cunt! Go on! I'll fucking kill you, you bastard, you!
What the fuck is wrong with you?
What's wrong with you, you cunt? Get him! I've got you on dashcam right in the middle of the fucking road! Now fuck off out my road! Run that cunt away!
Jesus
fucking
Christ!
ass!
I'm not going in front of you, pal.
You better look, I'll fucking run you over. Go on, you cunt!
Get out the fucking road! I'm not going in front of you.
You was in my fucking right in the middle of the fucking road.
I'm going down the road.
You're in the middle of the fucking
So
road, you
what?
cunt! Aye, you were!
So what?
You're in my way!
God, do you think you own the road?
You think you're on the fucking road? Now get out my fucking way before I blacken your fucking eyes. And I fucking mean it.
Do you?
Guys, let's kill her.
Fucking difficult
I've
with
got it
fucking
on camera.
idiots on the road.
It's going quick.
Hey!
You fucking bastard, you.
Right, you.
Don't fucking hit the bike.
And you
Right?
stop fucking cracking his car.
If you want to access the unique shooting quality and many features of the VIOFO, all you have to do is find the products in the description section and get them at a discount with the codes provided to you by Dashflix.
No, it doesn't want anyone to go round to get in front of him. Alright. We don't want people to go round, we want you to go down there.
was going to come out. John, your car. Did you just hit your car? Right, put the thing on then. You recorded it? Stop. John, don't let him open your door.
Huh? LG08
Here.
0AY.
I can't get it.
LG08
Right, I'm going to get it.
0AY.
You get a bit closer.
It's alright.
No, I'm going to get it on thingy. He didn't think that, did he? He got it all on camera. That's why he got back in his car.
No, I don't think.
That's alright, I'm going to get a picture, that's all. Instead.